Welcome to episode 7 where we add effects to this bad boy.
Tornado vibe.
All you need to do is come here to effects and presets, okay? And then choose the effects that you desire. So for example, I'm going to add in blinds. These are called Venetian blinds. And I'm going to add them here on my subscribe comp here. Now, once you add your effects here on your subscribe comp, okay, you will find them on the effects controls here. As you can see, now we have Venetian blinds effects, and you can control everything from the effects controls here. Though you can come to the effects down here, Venetian blinds, you can see you have all the controls down here, but on my Venetian blinds here I can increase here the transition to completion here from 0 to 100. I can change the direction of my Venetian blinds, I can change the width and the feather. See how beautiful this looks. You can actually animate this by clicking on the stopwatch right here. So I'm going here on my 2-minute mark here, and this is just for reference, right? Set a stopwatch here, make it 100% completion, then move to my third here and make it 0. When you play this back, you can see your effect animates, and you can add other effects. So if I add other effects here, let me say TV, they tend to add up on the bottom here of your other effects. So the first effects will be on top, other effects will be on bottom here. I can also delete the Venetian blinds here. You can see, let me add a more subtle effect here. So now you can see, if we play our animation back, okay, it has the effects embedded in it. And I can add in other effects, for example, the glow effect here, and then I can play around with the glow here, the glow radius, threshold, intensity, and now you will have your effect. When you add the keyframes, right, when you come here on the effects on your layer, okay, you will find the options to customize your keyframes here below on your timeline. And you won't see the keyframes right here, you will see the keyframes below here. So this is pretty simple. Just go ahead, add effects, customize them right here, and change the keyframes on your timeline. The next episode, I'm going to be showing you how to export